pressure on me. I'm only 13, and I'm the lyricist, the producer, the marketer, obviously. I'm 13, and the main rapper and lead vocalist, so I just think it's really not for me. This path is not for me, especially with this many roles in the group, and I'm also the leader. And me, I'm one of the vocalists too, but I can still rap. I'm the visual, and I'm not really in I'm kind of in between. I'm only 15, so that's also another reason why I think I'm not a good, choice for this group. I'm being also overworked. We have too much stuff to do. We debuted it 2 months ago. We had a single after that, and then we had an album after that. It's just too much for us to do since we have to write, listen to all of the songs to see if Bella produced good songs or not. And sometimes we just agree because we're just way too tired to make new versions, to listen to the other parts, to record the songs, to, finish the demos. It's just a lot of stuff. And I also have my own things that I have to focus on, so that's also another reason why I think I'm not, a choice for the group, since it's just, too busy. I don't really want to do all of this at such a young age. Yeah, I agree, Marco. And also, we don't know what's going to happen with Darkbloom. As you may know, Crystal is on a break right now due to personal reasons and health reasons, so we don't really know what's going to happen with Darkbloom. And one of our members, Cosmic, she's actually we can't share too much information, but she just recently went ghost mode. I don't know, she disappeared. She hasn't texted us, and we don't know what's going to happen with Darkbloom. Our managers say that Darkbloom might disband, but we're not too sure, since me and Marco left, and we do a lot to the group, and Cosmic also, she does a lot to the group, contributes a lot, and we don't know what happened to her. We don't know what's going to happen to Darkbloom. And our managers, Kenya and Giselle, they also, they don't really know what to do. Since me and Bella left, we don't know if we're going to be able to continue to talk to the girls, since we don't really have, with our schedule, we don't really have time to go on our phones, to go out. We're just in the practice room and recording room every single day. So, yeah, we don't know what's going to happen with Darkbloom after this little video we're doing, because of Cosmic, Crystal, and me and Bella, we don't really know. Also, Kiki, she has recently shown signs that she doesn't want to be in Darkbloom, so we don't really know if we should be talking about this, since it's private stuff, but we really want to let you guys know that if something happens with Darkbloom, just continue to support them, support the girls. If something happens to Darkbloom, if they disband or something, keep supporting the girls, because I really enjoyed my time being a member of Darkbloom, so I think it's for the best if you guys keep supporting me and Miracle and the girls if something happens. But if nothing happens, just please keep supporting Darkbloom, because that's just what I think would make me happy and make them happy. And I don't really know if their concept is going to change, because of course I'm the producer, and since they're a little broke, we are a little broke. We don't really have money to pay actual producers, so I do struggle a lot. When I make the songs and write the lyrics, I've been making those since last year, because I'm still a child, and I don't like the use of AI, so that's why it takes me so long to produce, to write the songs. So yes. And if something happens to me and Bella or Crystal or the rest of the girls, please just continue supporting Darkbloom. But if we disappear, and if a lot of the members disappear, please boycott Darkbloom. amazing journey with that.